morning class 6, myself Ranjit Kumar. I welcome you all in the e-learning program of Modern English School Kunti Nagar, Nevada. This is the fifth video lecture of the chapter Electricity and Circuit. In today's video we are going to discuss about electric switch, or simply you can say switch. Before discussing what is electric switch or switch, first yesterday I have discussed what is electric circuit. The path along which the electric current can flow is called electric circuit. So if I want to draw a simple electric circuit, then I can draw like this. This is the bulb, this is the wire, and this is the power source. But what is the problem in this electric circuit? Problem in this electric circuit is whenever I have to switch off the bulb, I have to cut the connection from here. And again, when I want to switch on the bulb, when I want to switch off the bulb, I have to cut the connection. And if I want to switch on the connection, then I have to again join this connection. Means if I want to make the bulb glow, I have to again do connection. For if it is a battery or a cell, then okay, we can do once, twice, no problem. But if it is from the main supply, main power supply, is it possible to do every time? Chances of getting electric shock is there. Electric means you can get electric shock. So to avoid such problem, a substance called electric switch is used. What is electric switch? A device, electric switch, electric switch is a device used for opening or breaking. Electric switch is a device used for opening or closing. Electric switch is a device which is used for opening and closing an electric circuit. Means electric switch is a device that is used for opening and closing an electric circuit. What do you mean by opening and closing the electric circuit? First, see the switch. Have you ever seen switch like this, in which there is a knob is there, and this is like this, and there is two knob is there. One wire is connected here, one wire is connected here. If you press the switch like this, then bulb will glow, and if press the switch like this, the bulb will switch off. So this switch is opening and closing the circuit. Different type of switches are there. For example, if I draw in this electric circuit also, this wire is connected here and this wire is connected here, and there is a switch like this. So when I press this, then this switch will become like this. So this is now the circuit is complete, means here switch is on, switch is on, and it is a closed circuit. It is a closed circuit, means the path is completed. Now if I draw one more diagram like this only, and switch is like this. This is open circuit, and here switch is off. So I can say when switch is off, circuit is open or opening or breaking. Breaking circuit is broken here. So it is open circuit and this is closed circuit. So when switch is on, the circuit is closed. If switch is off, the circuit is open. So that's why definition is electric switch is a device used for opening or breaking, or means opening, that is opening or breaking, any word you can use. You can use opening or breaking और क्लोजिंग एन इलेक्ट्रिक सर्किट. सर्किट को ओपन और क्लोज करने के लिए स्विच को यूज करते हैं. डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ स्विचेस आर देयर. यू कैन मेक स्विच बाय योर ओन. हाउ? व्हाट यू हैव टू डू इफ यू वांट टू मेक योर ओन स्विच, व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, टेक अ वुडन ब्लॉक या थर्मोकॉल का एक टुकड़ा ले लीजिए. यू नो दैट ड्राइंग पिन, टेक 2 ड्राइंग पिन. सो यू इंसर्ट 1 ड्राइंग पिन हियर एंड इंसर्ट 1 ड्राइंग पिन हियर. सो बिफोर इंसर्टिंग ड्राइंग पिन, व्हाट यू डू, you place a this is a safety pin. This is a safety pin. This safety pin is made up of metal, and now place the drawing pin here. So insert the drawing pin inside this hole of the safety pin and insert other drawing pin here. So this is a cardboard, okay, and in that you have inserted 2 drawing pin. Now what to do? Connect 1 wire to this drawing pin and connect this to the battery, and this is connected to a bulb, and the other wire is connected to this drawing pin. Now when you rotate this safety pin and bring it over this pin, second pin, then circuit will close. So when you bring the safety pin like this, then circuit will close, bulb will glow, means now the circuit is closed, and this is the symbol of on switch. Okay, next, when the circuit was, when this safety pin was like this, at that time the switch was off and the circuit was open, and bulb do not glow. Okay, so from today's video, what you have to keep in mind, this activity you will keep in mind, that two drawing pin, 1 safety pin, 2 wire, a cell and a bulb. With the help of you can make your own switch. That is. Second is, what is electric switch? A device used for opening or closing an electric circuit is called electric switch. Second information that you have to keep in mind. And third information is, circuit is of 2 types, open circuit and closed circuit. In open circuit, switch is off, so bulb will not glow, and in closed circuit, switch is on and bulb will glow. In open circuit, circuit is not complete. In closed circuit, circuit is complete. So this information you have to keep in mind from today's video. Okay, so hope you understand. Still anyone have any problem, you can ask in the morning. Okay, thank you.